Hello everyone, today we're checking out the Bracketron Griplox Xventure waterproof suction mount, a universal phone holder designed for boats, kayaks, and even your car dashboard. This product was sent to me for review, but as always, everything I share is based on my own experience using it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside the box you get the manual, the suction base with the ball joint collar already attached, the phone mount with adjustable arms. This is the part that holds your phone with silicone pads and push button expansion. Everything is packed well and organized, making it easy to go through each piece. Quick feature highlights: it has a temper band waterproof suction technology for smooth or textured surfaces. It comes with a universal expansion arms that fits most phones. And it comes with a silicone grip pads to keep your device secure. And it features an adjustable ball joint for tilt, rotation, and angle adjustments. The way it works is pretty straightforward. Just attach the phone mount to the suction base using the ball joint, then tighten the collar once you find the angle. To mount it in your dash like in our vehicle Kia Sportage, just clean the surface, press the suction cap down, flip the lever to lock it. Once that lever locks, the suction becomes extremely strong. Then to put your phone, press and hold the button to extend the arms, place your phone in, then squeeze the arms to secure it. Tilting and rotating is smooth thanks to the ball joint, so switching between portrait and landscape is pretty easy. So I've been testing this in our Kia Sportage dash, and once I locked the suction properly, it didn't move at all. There's no wobbling, there's no slipping, even during turn and bumps. The grip stayed tight and adjusting the angle was quick and smooth. So there's only one con that I can think of. I do wish the arm was a bit longer. I don't have a long arm, so in our Sportage, the dash sits a little farther back, so having a longer reach would make it easier to grab the phone quickly. But overall, the Bracketron Griplox Xventure suction mount is tough, waterproof, and very stable phone holder. The suction strength is impressive once locked in. The adjustable arms work smoothly and it performed great in our Kia Sportage. If you need a mount that stays put on smooth or textured surfaces, this one does the job really well. If you want to check this out, link is in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.